Man, y'all know what time it is, bro. Man, I had to do my guy like this.
Here on the Vegas Strip
Woo!
in beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada, for a much anticipated main event. Scheduled for 15 rounds of heavyweight. This should be a really good matchup here tonight. All that energy that we saw, it almost boiled over at the weigh-in yesterday. Now it gets
I gotta fight my guy.
Faces showing you that intensity that so many of the very best will display during a ring walk. Totally
play that funky music. Oh man.
Tyson's unpredictability belies his ring walk focus. He is ready for action.
Woo. That dude a man still, bro. But I gotta get you, Mike. Ain't no way in hell I fight this man for real. No. Hurricane. Don't hurt nobody, Hurricane. Mike Tyson. Don't stare him down, bro. Don't you stare that man down. Oh.
Okay, guys. We went over the rules in the dressing room. Let's touch block.
Let's go, bro. Yeah.
Scheduled here in this much anticipated fight, and we are underway with round number 1. Another flush shot to the head. That was nice. He just drew the punch from his opponent, and then a good counter by Hurricane.
Yeah, like running through the ring without getting wet. Beautiful.
Eddie, a prime Mike Tyson here has so many KO1s sprinkled across his record. Do you expect those kind of fireworks early on here?
Yeah, for a couple reasons. He understands the history. He's a history student. He likes the legacy. He wants to be like Jack Dempsey, all those fighters of the past where he's ferocious. And also, he wants to send a signal to future opponents that you should not get in the ring with him.
Digs in with a good solid uppercut after taking a shot. Mike Tyson's on the bad end of a very impressive hook up top. Really on the mark with that over-the-top shot with the right hand. An accurate left by Mike Tyson. Bates is doing what every trainer wants to see their fighter do. Land punches and bunches. The combination lands. Flush to the midsection with the hook.
Come on, Mike.
The opponent here is not known for being a guy that can defensive fights, doesn't have a lot of stamina. Mike may make that very easy and good marriage for him.
Yeah, that works perfect for Tyson because that probably means that his opponent is going to come out fast. He's going to be desperate early. He knows he can't go late. And Tyson loves to get a guy early.
Tyson's clamped down by a left hand.
Y'all better quit playing with me, man. Come on here.
Solid right by Mike Tyson. Teddy, I don't think he's got visions of sticking around too long. He's landed power punches early.
Yeah, he wants to make it a quick night's work.
Well, you gotta like that hook by Bates. Red hot action to open up this fight. Both men throwing, both men landing.
It's been a long time since I've seen something like this. I think it was in a film library. Watching him hammer in hand with great Henry Armstrong. Never took a step backwards, kept going forward.
Snapping hook by Hurricane. Mike Tyson's been hurt. Knock the motherfucker out!
No! No! Oh, mercy!
He goes down. Oh, he may be close here. Can he survive the round?
Damn. Oh, Mike, I got your eyeball closed. Oh, wait. Damn, Mike. Oh, he tough now. He gonna get up. Yeah, my face messed up, y'all. God, hey. I gotta see your face before I even. Man. My man out swole, look.
You're gonna catch it.
No, he ain't. No, he ain't. Now with his eyeball shut up, bro. Damn.
Mike Tyson's corner now with a big task at hand. They've got to make sure that their fighter has his senses back after being knocked down. Scoring well with that combination. He is damaged.
I ain't playing with y'all, bro. Look at that. Ali Boumaier, yeah. Come on with
He's
it.
a weeble wobble in the ring right now. Just wobbling away. A well-placed left hand up top. Tried the hook, didn't get it. Double jab by Bates.
Ooh.
What a stunning shot he just landed.
Well, he left the left hand out there a little lazy, and he crashed it over.
Tyson's trying to get back to where he was here in this round. He was knocked down in the last round. Now, Teddy, when you're the opponent and you knock the guy down, those opening few moments of the next round, you try to
Oh!
solid. Oh,
Damn.
a real test. Can he get up after going down a second time?
Damn, Mike.
1, 2, 3.
It's over with.
And it's all over. Bates, his opponent, is scored a knockout victory. Boy, was that impressive.
Damn, Mike. I'm speechless. Hurricane. He put them hands on that dude, bro. Yeah, he got me pretty good too. Look at my face. Shit, it red. Hey, Mike don't play.
Boxing writers are going to have a field day with this early knockout, Teddy. Praising one guy and tons of criticism is going to be targeted on his opponent.
Yeah, two ways you can criticize.
I appreciate y'all watching my videos. Like I said, go to my website, www.tanglesandbeyond.com. Type in Julian Bates 15 for a 15% discount. Keep watching my streams, keep watching my videos, and I appreciate the support. Holla at you.